Hello, this is Kinley again. Today is the day 10 of the Power BI series, AdventureWorks 2022 dataset. Okay, we will be involving or we will be focused solely only on the SQL today. Remember in the last session, let me go back to my desktop screen. Okay, I was talking about this, the salesperson, and I wanted to display the salesperson name at least, so that in the report the key stakeholder will be able to know who exactly is this person. Okay, so I have included a few tables. So employee table, so in the employee table, and there's also a person table, so that I can extract the name, the middle name, and the last name, and also the title. Okay, and let me see what else. I also need the job title. Um, there's a title here. I'll need a job title. I'll need maybe a national ID number. Let me check. So employee, I'll need a business entity ID. Uh, and likely, let me try to figure out what is this national ID number. Let me go to the HR, human resource employee. You need identify a social security number. No, I don't want this. Let me see if there's employee number. Maybe maybe a job title. So I'll get a job title. Um, there seems to be no employee ID. So maybe we'll just need just list also the business entity ID. Okay. So I guess this is also the employee number because I can find one here. So we'll need also a job title and a business entity ID. Okay, let's go back to SSMS. Okay, let's create a new query. Okay, so earlier I've done one set here. Let's uh, let's redo this again. I've done one with the olden day SQL where where something equals to something. Then I also did uh, um, inner join instead of using this equal. So this is more this is the latest way of doing things, I believe. So we'll go through this both. Uh, so let's do this. The first the first statement, if you are running a SQL, so it's always good to have a practice to use AdventureWorks 2022. So it does nothing but just to use the AdventureWorks 2022 database. So it points to this database so that you have integrity. Okay. First, if we look at let me go back. Okay, if we look at the tables diagram, so we need to get the person first name, middle name, and last name first. We'll do that. So the easiest thing to do now is select. Um, okay, let's select star from, so it's person.person. Yes, person.person. Oh, what's happening? Let's put it back. Okay, so it's person.person title, person.person. Okay, give it a last name, just P. So p dot title, title, p dot title, p dot first name, p dot last name, and p dot p dot middle name here. Okay, middle name from person P. Okay, let's run this. F5. Oh, there's an error. Let me see. Near the, oh, okay, I missed out a comma. Let's run this again. Yes, nice. Okay, so we're going to concatenate first uh, first name, middle name, and last name. Okay, we are following the um, okay, the different culture, different standards for different country. Um, okay, for in Asia, in Singapore, we'll do the first name, no, last name first, middle name, and then first name. So we're going to do a concat. So let's say last name, middle name, okay, so we're going to add space, and let's run this again. Okay, so this is good, but because there's a null value, there can be a null value. Okay, s um, salesperson. Okay, run this again. Okay, this is good. And title. Okay, so title can be ISNULL. So ISNULL. Okay, let's run this. Okay, good. So s as title F5. Okay. Let me see. Okay, see there's two spaces here for 99. So again, we will is now. If it's now, then it's just a empty space. Then we will remove this one. So I record 99. So F5. Yes. So we fix that. So this is actually from the person, but we need to let's get back to the database diagram. So person here. So we need to reference the employee table for the from the human resources. So the employee table and the registration is by business entity ID. Okay, let's do that. SQL query. Okay, from P. Another one is human. Is it human resources? Okay, human resources employee table. Sorry, human resources dot employee. Enter. We give it alias name E. Okay. Uh, then where where p dot business entity ID equals to e dot business entity ID. Okay, so we need to display for the employee table the job title. What else? Okay, we need to identify who. Okay, we'll just gender, hire date. Okay, we'll give the job title. So this is e dot job e dot job title. Did I get the name correct? Job title, yes. Okay, so now we have both the business P and the E, the person employee. Okay, so we run this execute. Okay, good. So we have the job title here. Okay, so now we have this and we have this. Now is all this is a one-to-one. So we're going to put in also the salesperson. So all the salesperson with the corresponding employee and the person information. We're going to do this now. So we're going to add salesperson. Comma here. So sales dot salesperson as alias sp. Okay, so we have p, e, and sp, and as e dot business entity ID equals to sp dot business entity ID. Let's wait. Let me go back to the diagram. So salesperson ID, we need the business entity ID. Okay, because that's the key in case in the report they wants to know who exactly is John. So at least can reference the business entity ID, which I believe this may be the employee ID number. Let's do this. Let's enter this. Okay. Salesperson dot business entity ID. Okay, Okay, salesperson dot commission percent, salesperson dot sales last year, salesperson dot sales quota, salesperson dot sales year to date, salesperson dot territory I do I need, or maybe I need all this, and salesperson dot job. Is it a job title? No, job title is employee dot job title, yes. Okay, so this one I'll put this here. Okay, then this is the SP, this is the E, this is the P. Okay, okay, let's run this again. F5. Okay, good. So we have because it's reference only from the person table. No, from the salesperson table. These are everything uh, from the salesperson table. Let us check. Salesperson. Okay. Select top 1000 row. We only have 17 records, and check here. Yes, we'll also have 17 records here, so we are right. Um, so this is the table that we will want to import instead of these three. One instead of one bringing individually one, two, three, because it's a one-to-one relationship between all these. So instead of the salesperson, we will do one query, one SQL query, which is, what did I do? Wait, F5. One SQL query, which is this one. Although this is works, but because uh, we want to keep on advancing. So instead of using this olden way of, although it works and this is still valid, but let's do something better using inner join instead of the traditional way of writing this SQL. Okay, so instead of doing this, why not we'll do this one. Same, we'll do select. Okay, SP. Oh, let me see my model answer. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the one that we're supposed to do. Okay, SP, inner join. Okay, so backspace. Let's do it from here. Okay, I'll just do this. Okay, we'll do an inner join SE on p.BusinessEntityID equals to e. Okay, this is correct. On sales as sp on. Okay, let's run this one. Hope there's no error. Okay, correct. So we'll be using this instead to make it nicer. CONCAT salesperson. So we have this salesperson. Okay, we will remove this title, which I think we don't need. Let's see, where is it? Okay, here. We don't need this. Backspace. Okay, we run again. F5. Okay, so we'll have this information. Business entity ID, which is this key. Commission percent. Sales last year. Sales quota. Sales year to date. Territory ID. I'm not sure if I need this, but we'll keep this first. Job title. So it's a sales representative. All these are from sales table. So by right they should be representing sales. So it's a sales representative. So this is a European sales manager. So North America sales manager. Okay, from the Pacific sales manager. Okay, from the data, that means they have three groups. That means three regions. One is the North American, Pacific, and one is the European. So okay. Let me check again the table. How does this person? Who is this person reporting? Manager. Let me check. Is there a reference from here? Okay. So is it a salesperson? Bonus. Salary flag, vacation hour, current flag, job title, business type, first name, last name, email promotion, contact demographics. So I cannot find the relationship. That means for this salesperson, who is the sales manager? Let me check again. Salary flag, organization. Okay, let me check on employee, organization level, and organization mode to see what is this. Hang on. So sales employee, HR employee. Okay, so what's this? Hierarchy ID. Where the employee is located in the corporate hierarchy. The depth of the employee in the corporate hierarchy. Where the employee is located. Okay. I'll come back to here if there's an opportunity, but in the meantime I don't think I can find who is the manager for the salesperson at this time. But I think it's okay because what we want to do is to get the number of sales made for each salesperson, and with that with the name, and so that in the report, in the visualizations, we are able to know who is that salesperson exactly. Okay, so we are more or less done here. So this will be the no, so this will be the SQL statement that we'll use instead of this salesperson table. So we have merged this, and these are all one-to-one relationship. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we don't have. Wait, let me see. Let me open up my. Let me open up my Power BI. Because now my business entity here from the store also reference to this person table. Although it's a one-to-one, wait, store. So it's a one-to-one, one-to-one. Oh, I may not this. Oh no, I may need this. Sorry, because this is one-to-many, uh, which we have done. Store business entity person. Okay. So I think we have done this before. Okay, so we'll keep this like that. So in terms of the salesperson. Okay. So so next week, let me go back to my Power BI D8. Okay, transform data. So we have customer, which is SQL merge. I think I have the person. So in terms of this salesperson, I think I got the wrong one. Wait, I should have 9. So for recent open 6 3 days. Oh, that's correct. Sorry, let me open this. Okay, so we have customer. Okay, so let's go to the what I'm doing. Okay, remove the pause. So sorry. Power BI. It's very slow. Wait. Okay. Anyway, we'll be doing this one to make life easier. Um, so we'll be using this SQL statement to do the import for the sales person table, which is to represent the salesperson table, which is this one. Instead of bring these two extra, we'll just do one SQL and represents the salesperson table. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me see if I can still get my Power BI up. Transform data. Okay. Let's wait for a little while. Okay, good. We are here. Okay, instead of this, we will not use this anymore. We will instead of using we'll instead import through an SQL and replace this with that SQL. So view, let's uncheck this one. Okay, good. Okay, so instead of all these, we'll include also the name, the name of the salesperson. We'll keep the business entity. We'll also get included the job title and all the sales data sales. Okay, that's what we're going to do in the next video. And let me check on this customer. So the person type. Okay, we have the customer name. So we did also use a person table in the SQL here. Okay, that's good. So that's all for today. Let me get back to my main camera screen. Okay, today it is just on SQL, joining the few tables to get the necessary columns and for display. And in the next video, we will import that SQL, and we will do the extraction. We will do the transformation. Then we will load information into the Power BI. Then we will um, from there we will create the relationships. Then we will move on further from there. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.